of these three, 1199 would be my pick.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh, and this is Cranks and Pistons, and we are back for another episode with the Ducati. So the Ducati is coming along really well. The E46 is done. The Ducati is coming along really well. I started work on it off camera a little bit. I just wanted to give it a shot so that I don't embarrass myself on camera. So I did change out the tank and the black handlebar. We still have a few issues left on the bike. I think first, let's go over the issues. What is there? This is a 13-year-old bike, so obviously it's got its fair share of wear and tear. But the brakes, solid Brembos. We do have a few paint chips right here. We're missing the guard here, a carbon fiber or a exhaust guard, safety guard. And the scratches on the clutch cover. And a little bit of leak on the front fork. And we do have this paint all chipped out. So I'm planning to do all the chromish, grayish color. I really into black. I'll probably remove that and put a whole new footrest right there. But what I did work on. So I started work on this yesterday in the morning, and there was quite a bit to be done. The tank was cracked, so I had to change the tank. Boys, they're excited. So I had to change the tank. When I was changing the tank, I realized that half the screws that is securing the tank shell is wrong. So I had to do a DIY sort of a fix. So I used other screws here. But what I'm going to be doing today is go down to the Ducati dealership and get a new set of bolts for that. And I also need to get one for the clutch rod. I'm not sure what that exact part is called. It secures the sprocket to the clutch rod. So there's a tiny piece, so I have to pick that up. We're going to be picking that up. And I want to take you guys along as well. We're going to jump into the E46 in a bit, head down to the dealership. I'm sure there's some sick Ducatis in the shop there. So I want to go check it out, but changes, yes. So there's only these bolts right here that we need to change, and there's a couple of more down here which we'll work on once we get the new set of screws. Once we get the new set of screws. And I also changed up the handlebar, which is pretty simple. It's very easy. It's all very screw on. Just one thing that you need to remember is to place this in the right hole so that it lines up correctly. And on this end, it can be placed however. You just have to move it around a little bit to get what you need out of this. But I feel like this black handlebar makes it look so much better. Yes, there is a bit of a difference in color for the black and this, but then this can always be sprayed, whereas the handlebar was chrome before and I wanted to change that. And next we're going to be changing out this. We're going to take out the bikini. I already took out the glass, but I'm not able to remove this. So I'm going to have this cut out, get a different base case for this. So this will look a little bit more sick, and the front is going to look way more aggressive. On a tilt, we go on tilt. So this is going to turn out really beautiful. I'm really excited for this project and how it's going to turn out. And this Ducati I use every day, guys. I take it to work on a daily basis, and it has never let me down. I'm very happy with the bike, but I want it to be in the best condition possible so that I can do some additional mods. The Tamigoni exhaust, maybe, we'll change that out, or I'll just have to remove the DB killer in this. I'm looking towards getting a SC Project exhaust because I've seen a lot of Ducatis have them and they look beautiful, so I'm looking to get one of those. Double tap, gear up, and like that, we are here. Ducati, baby! Now let's go in. Let's see what's up. Woo! Toy Store! This is what's up. Look at these dials. AMG dial. That's cool. I haven't seen one of these before. I did see the Lambo Devil on YouTube, but then this is new. This is the first. That's cool. They got non-Ducati Vespa, got the Ducati colors, so why not? Whoa. Panigale V4S. Yes, baby. So sick. The tank is mean. What a beauty. I think this is the new monster that we saw at the event the other day. Cool. This is 6796. This is pretty much like the one we have, black tone, which doesn't look too bad at all. The red guts don't go with it though. It could definitely be different. But the Panigale V4 is my go-to. This is a Super Sport 950S. It's comparing the V4 and the Super Sport. This is so much more thinner. That's way more beefier. That's like huge. You can see the lineup here. All of them lined up. $1299, $1199, V4S. I would say of these three, $1199 would be my pick. You guys let me know down in the comments what's your pick of the shop here. Which one would you go for? Which is your favorite Ducati? Merch store, tours, Multistradas. Nice. This is sick. I would love to have all of this in my garage, but obviously we cannot, so we need to pick and choose, then we can. But can't take my eyes off these. What beauties. So I just placed the order for the parts. We're just waiting for them to bring it out. Once we bring it out, we're gonna go back, fit it onto our monster, and make it look flush like this. So now you guys can see the difference. The screws that I have is totally different, and these are totally different. They look so much better, so uniform. That's the word. Uniform is the word. Just a normal diagonal. No? Maybe not. Then so this, the lined up monster, the new one, it's the Monster Plus. They're nice. The new monsters are nice, but the old ones are the shit. They have a white one here. Check this out. These are so nice. I feel like these make the monster look way more aggressive. They look so cool. This is the 696 and that's the 759. So this is ideally ditto as ours. Not a fan of the white, but oh, check this out, guys. The same issues as the ones that we have on ours. Paint chips, although the front looks pretty decent. So anyways, welcome to Ducati Hong Kong. I hope you guys liked it. So don't forget, let me know down in the comments which is your go-to Ducati. Let's pick up the parts now and then let's head back and fix the bike up. And very soon, you're gonna join me for a ride. Thank you, Ducati. All done. Got our screw set, but the price, that was fun. So for the screw, each unit is $40. So I needed just like 9 units because I do have some old ones. But each of them, 40? Are you serious? My whole Allen key set was $40. I think that has way more metal than these screws, these tiny ass screws. They're not really big either. They are pretty normal sized, not too big. Specific key. But yeah, that's Ducati pricing. All right, now let's bounce. Back at the bike. Time to get this done. This minor fix, a very minor fix. We have the screws. Now we gotta pull all these out and maybe repurpose some of them for other sides because I just got 9. That's the only visible part in this tank, so I guess we don't need all the others. We can just fill it in with whatever else we got. So let's get that started and finish that up, because there are a few gaps on this that I want to eliminate. Something like this, it's popping out over here, and over here it is not sticking right, and this is fine, that's okay, but hopefully I get to cut this out. I'm trying to see if I can lose this, but first this, and like that, see, done. All good, all secured. I had to tighten quite a bit around, but we have all 13 of them, I think 13, 14 of them, and that is done. Ducati body completed. Now next, there's a few other mods, but for now I think this is perfect to take it down the road and to take it into town and be confident when riding and not be embarrassed that my tank and everything is broken and this possibly could be an accident vehicle. So that's it for the vlog, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to let me know what was your favorite Ducati out in the showroom and which one would you go for, or what do you even own? I'll be happy to learn about that and maybe do a few separate videos just for them. So take care, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. So till the next time, peace.